Nihan's World. If you are new to this channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon so you won't miss any upcoming videos from Nihan's World channel. Namaste. In this video, we will learn the famous landmarks of India. Are you ready? Let's start. The Red Fort, Delhi. The Red Fort is considered to be the most prominent historical monument in Old Delhi. Constructed by Emperor Shah Jahan in 1639, it was built when the kingdom decided to shift its capital from Agra to Delhi. Today, the Red Fort houses various museums and is the place where the Prime Minister of India unfurls the national flag on Independence Day every year. The Golden Temple, Amritsar. Amritsar's most famous landmark, the Golden Temple, also known as Harmandir Sahib. The Gurudwara is built around a man-made pool that was completed by the 4th Sikh Guru, Guru Ramdas, in 1577. Hawa Mahal, Jaipur. Hawa Mahal, which means the Palace of Winds, is one of the most important landmarks in the city of Jaipur. Located in Pink City, Jaipur, it is a 5-story building made in a pyramidal shape and stands 15 meters tall. Built by Maharaja Swai Pratap Singh in 1799. Qutub Minar, Delhi. Qutub al-Din Aibak made a 73-meter tall tower of victory. The Qutub Minar right after the defeat of the last Hindu kingdom in Delhi. Constructed in 1193, the building comprises of 5 different stories, each with a separate project balcony. The height of Qutub Minar is 73 meters, making it the tallest minaret in the world built of bricks. Gateway of India, Mumbai. The monument got its name as it served as the entrance point for British viceroys when they arrived in India. The final design of the monument by architect George Whitted was sanctioned only in 1914. The construction was completed in 1924. Lotus Temple, New Delhi. The Bahai Temple in New Delhi, popularly known as the Lotus Temple, is a fantastic example of modern architecture in the country. One of the top architectural marvels in India in modern times, this gorgeous white marble structure is considered to the Taj Mahal of the 20th century. The Lotus Temple attracts millions of people from around the world for meditation, peace, study and prayers. Mysore Palace, Mysore. The Mysore Palace is a historical place and the royal residence at the Mysore in the Indian state of Karnataka. Structure was constructed between 1897 and 1912 after the old palace was burnt ablaze. Mysore Palace is now one of the most famous tourist attractions in India after the Taj Mahal, with more than 6 million annual visitors. The Varanasi Ghats, Varanasi. The sets of carved stairs that lead directly down to the waters of the holy Ganga river, Ganga Aarti, a flame-lit evening prayer performed each evening. Ghats in Varanasi are river-front steps leading to the banks of the river Ganga. Most Varanasi Ghats were rebuilt in the 18th century when the city came under Maratha rule. Taj Mahal, Agra. A mausoleum commissioned for the wife of Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, the Taj Mahal was built between 1632 and 1648. The white marble structure represents a number of architectural styles including Persian, Islamic, Turkish, and Indian. The Taj Mahal also encompasses formal gardens of raised pathways, sunken flower beds, and a linear reflecting pool. India Gate, New Delhi. India Gate, the most renowned landmark in Delhi, is a stunning archway built as a heartfelt tribute to the brave soldiers who have sacrificed their lives for the country. Jama Masjid, New Delhi. Jama Masjid is a renowned mosque that was commissioned by Emperor Shah Jahan in the mid-60s. Shah Jahan was also the architect behind the Taj Mahal and the Red Fort. Jantar Mantar, Jaipur. Jantar Mantar is famous across the globe for being the largest stone astronomical observatory in the world. It was built in the year 1727 or 1733 by Raja Swai Jai Singh in the city of Jaipur. City Palace, Udaipur. The City Palace is an excellent example of Rajput architecture. It is the largest complex in the state of Rajasthan and was built by Maharana Uday Singh in 1559. Fatehpur Sikri, Agra. Fatehpur Sikri is the former capital of the Mughal Empire, with the construction of the city beginning during the 16th century. The Jaisalmer Fort, Jaisalmer. Jaisalmer Fort is the second oldest fort in Rajasthan, built in 1156 AD by the Rajput Rawal Jaisal, from whom it derived its name, and stood at the crossroads of the important trade routes. I hope you have enjoyed the video. I am Nihan. Thank you for watching Nihan's World. I will see you in next videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.